This video is proudly sponsored by Tropica Aquarium Plants. Hello everyone and welcome to my first official YouTube video. In this video, we will be planting my UNS 45U sponsored by Tropica Aquarium Plants. I will be sure to leave a link below if you would like to purchase similar products as used in this video. The first step is to wet the soil. This is my preferred method and I like to plant into wet soil just because it's a little bit easier than planting directly into dry soil. Later you will see that I did not end up using this method and I ended up filling my aquarium just a little bit fuller to plant the carpet. Enough being said, time to prepare our plants. The thing I love most about Tropica's tissue culture plants is that they come completely pest and snail free. The reason for rinsing off tissue culture plants is because they come in a gel-like media that needs to be rinsed off prior to usage. All the plants I received from Tropica were completely healthy and pest, algae, and snail free. I am so happy with this and I cannot thank Tropica enough for sending me all of these amazing plants. If you would like to see more of my content, be sure to subscribe to my channel and like this video, as well as clicking the bell so you do not miss another upload. If you would like to see an ASMR video of me preparing these plants, be sure to let me know in the comments below. After preparing all of our plants, now it's time to split them into individual pieces that will be planted in the carpet. If you have any tips and tricks of how to make my videos even better, be sure to let me know in the comments below so I know what to improve on. Enough of me yapping, be sure to enjoy the time lapses of me planting this build. long couple hours of planting, it is officially time to fill. This is what the final result was, but I still felt as if it was missing something. I decided to add a few Java Fern Trident minis, as well as some Java Fern needle leaf. I wanted this scape to feel very natural, and I feel as if the Java Ferns do an amazing job of that. In this scape, I plan on adding my celestial pearl danios. If you have any other suggestions, please let me know in the comments below. I hope you all enjoyed this build video, and thanks again to our sponsor, Tropica Aquarium Plants, for providing everything needed for this aquarium. If you enjoyed watching this video, be sure to subscribe to my channel and like this video so you don't miss any more updates.